Attention, attention, internet marketers, affiliate marketers, those that have online businesses. I have this awesome website I want to share with you all. But first of all, I want you to take a look at this video. If you're selling online, this is a great place where you can download free ebooks and free PLR, Master Retail Rights, and check it out. I'm going to play the video right now.
What are PLR products? And how do they help your online business make money? PLR products are digital products that other people have created, which you can sell for profit. And here's the awesome part. You won't owe anyone any commissions or cuts of the profit. 100% of the profits are yours to keep. You can do this because when you own a PLR product, you own the private label rights, or PLR for short, to that product. You can even rebrand a PLR product under your business's own brand, so it's not just someone else's product that you're selling to your customers. Now, I know what you're thinking. That seems a little shifty or dishonest. It's not. It's actually common practice all over the business world, even for large, well-known, and respected companies. Chances are you've even purchased PLR products that were sold under popular brands. Here's an example you see every day. The Ford Escape. Did you know that although Ford is the original manufacturer of the Escape, they also sold the PLR to Mazda? And if you've ever seen a Mazda Tribute, you're looking at a rebranded Ford Escape. Different branding, exact same vehicle. Still feel like you're robbing someone of those profits of their product? Most PLR products are created for the sole purpose of being sold by businesses other than the original authors or creators. And that's the case with every one of the products InDigitalWorks offers. In fact, InDigitalWorks product creators desperately want you to use the rights to their products to sell them. Because if their products bring you profits, you'll come directly to them for more. Every one of InDigitalWorks PLR products, which number more than 12,000, were created to be sold by internet businesses like yours. But what if you haven't started a business yet? Maybe you're interested in selling one, but you don't even have so much as a website. Wait, don't bail just yet, because when you become an InDigitalWorks member, you won't just be able to choose from over 12,000 PLR products to sell. You'll also have exclusive member-only access to our business creation and support tools that no other PLR website offers. InDigitalWorks has hundreds of training videos to guide you through every step of launching an online business and start selling PLR products. From creating a website to how to create your own brand, to bringing in lots of interested customers. InDigitalWorks also provides its members with free, high-speed, secure web hosting for your website, online store, blog, or anything else. And as an InDigitalWorks member, you'll also get access to landing page and e-cover design software. Try out a free InDigitalWorks membership today, and you'll instantly get access to 200 digital PLR products you can start selling right away.
Okay, everyone, this is an awesome website where you can actually sell PLR products, and you can join, register for free. You can, I don't know how much the membership is here. Alright, all I have done was, I just used it to download my free ebooks. Okay. This was recommended from my mentor with the version. So what I have done is just download these ebooks, and they're for free. Okay, but I am going to share with you where you can sell these PLR master resale rights. All right, and I've already downloaded one. I think I'm going to download this one, Warriors Mindset. But I did download one of them recommended from my mentor, and I did exactly what he said to do. So he does sell. This is one of the ways that he has been selling, from downloading PLR rights here and downloading them on Gumroad.com. Okay, so if you click on this, this is where you download it. Alright, and in the bottom it will tell you what the terms of the license. So you have all these yes master resale rights here, and the no and knows what you can't do. but you can download this and you can sell it right away. Alright, so that's exactly what I did. So let me just go to Gumroad. We're gonna go to gumroad.com now, and this is the site where you can actually start selling your ebooks here. A lot of creators come here to download a lot of their products, and it's for free. Okay, the hosting is actually free here. So let me go to my home. Alright, I've already signed in. So when I sign in, I hit my products. I've already downloaded one. This is the same book that you saw from the other site, Instagram monetization checklist, but I just added for beginners. And let me see, if you click on this, alright, this is where you put your title of the book that you're selling, and then you write a little short description. Alright, and you can download the ebook cover, and then you can write anything you want here. You can pick pay, buy this, I want this. So I just left it to I want this, and then you just put a little summary about what you want to say about Instagram. Okay, and you're gonna add the zip file. Okay, because these PLR rights, they are zip files. So you upload that file, and that is it. And then you just put the price here, how much you want to sell for, and then you save the changes. And then I've already saved the changes already, but this is actually the link here. You can use this link, or you can use the other link too. You can actually use this link too, and this opens to a new window, and you'll see the price here, you'll see your description here, and then if everybody is wanting this product, you press I want this, and then you pay for it. Alright, it's that simple. Alright, and how to share the link is go into social medias, and since this is an Instagram book, join Instagram groups in Facebook. Alright, make conversations with them, and then in the comments give them a link. Hey guys, this is going to help you. Share your link, and that's how you're going to generate sales. This is actually how Wesley Virgin, he's my mentor, he has done this over and over, and I wanted to make a video about this because not that many people watch his videos, but I do learn a lot from him. But I'm absolutely pleased with Gumroad.com, and if you need to start selling products. If you're an online guru and you love making money online, this is an avenue for you to go on Gumroad.com and download your ebooks or whatever you're selling, your software, whatever. Okay, because it has a great checkout for you, for people to purchase from you. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope I have helped you, and this is Coach Lottie, and watch my suggested videos everyone. Thank you for coming back, thank you for being my fans, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Watch out for my latest notification, and I will talk to you soon. Alright, bye bye everyone.